Economic policies are not one size fits all. What works in one region might fail in another. Regional economic research helps us understand these differences. By studying specific areas, we get a clearer picture of their unique economic landscapes. This knowledge is crucial for crafting policies that meet local needs and drive sustainable growth. Ignoring regional variations leads to ineffective policies and wasted resources. Regional economic research acts like a magnifying glass. It zooms in on individual regions to understand their economic strengths and weaknesses. This localized approach is essential for policymakers who need to address specific challenges. By recognizing the diversity within a country, we can tailor policies to maximize their impact and avoid unintended consequences. Local data is the lifeblood of effective regional economic policy. National statistics provide a broad overview, but they often mask important regional variations. For example, national unemployment figures might be low, but certain regions could be struggling with high joblessness. This is where localized data becomes crucial. By examining regional data on employment, income, industry concentration, and other factors, policymakers gain valuable insights. They can identify areas with high poverty, struggling industries, or skills gaps. This targeted information allows for the development of policies tailored to address specific regional challenges. Data-driven decisions are key to maximizing policy effectiveness. Economic models are powerful tools for policymakers. They are essentially simplified representations of the real world, used to simulate the effects of policy changes. By inputting regional data into these models, analysts can project how different policies might impact a local economy. This forecasting ability is invaluable for informed decision-making. For instance, a model could predict how a tax break for small businesses might affect job creation in a specific region. By considering factors like industry mix, labor costs, and consumer spending, models provide a glimpse into the potential consequences of policy choices. This allows policymakers to anticipate challenges, adjust strategies, and ultimately make better decisions. Section 4, Sector Spotlight, Identifying Regional Strengths. Each region has its own set of industries that drive its economy. Some areas might specialize in manufacturing, while others might rely heavily on tourism or agriculture. Sectoral analysis helps identify these key industries and understand their role in regional growth. By analyzing industry trends, labor markets, and innovation clusters, policymakers can pinpoint opportunities for investment and support. For example, a region with a strong technology sector might benefit from policies that promote research and development or attract skilled workers. Conversely, a region dependent on agriculture might need policies that support farmers, improve infrastructure, or encourage diversification. Understanding the unique sectoral makeup of a region is crucial for designing effective economic development strategies. Section 5. Counting the costs, reaping the benefits. Cost-benefit analysis is a vital tool for evaluating the viability of any policy. It involves comparing the potential costs of implementing a policy with its expected benefits. This analysis helps policymakers determine if a policy is a wise investment of public resources. In the context of regional economic development, this means assessing whether the benefits to the region outweigh the costs. For example, building a new highway might create construction jobs and improve transportation links, but it also requires significant upfront investment and could have environmental impacts. Cost-benefit analysis helps quantify these factors and provides a framework for making rational decisions. By weighing the pros and cons, policymakers can prioritize projects that offer the greatest net benefit to the region. Conclusion: effective economic policy requires a deep understanding of regional context. By utilizing localized data, economic models, sectoral analysis, and cost-benefit analysis, policymakers can craft policies tailored to specific needs. This approach leads to more effective, sustainable, and equitable economic outcomes. As we move forward, embracing the power of regional economic research will be crucial for building a more prosperous and resilient future.